Butterflies and moths. Butterflies and moths have long proboscises or mouthparts which can reach nectar and pollen inside flowers. Butterflies like bright pink, blue, and purple flowers. Some moths are good pollinators of flowers that bloom at night. They look for pale flowers with strong scents. This butterfly has landed on a pink flower. It is using its long proboscises to sip the nectar. Its legs are covered with pollen. Wasp and flies. Wasps are mainly carnivores. Carnivores eat other animals. Wasps hunt small insects. Many insects live on plants. Wasps visit flowers to look for smaller insects that they can find there. They drink flower nectar to give them energy to hunt insects. While they hunt insects, wasps pollinate plants by carrying pollen on their bodies from flower to flower. Wasps also help nature by eating many insects that damage plants. Pretending to sting. Flies are very important pollinators because there's so many of them. The most important fly pollinators are hoverflies and bee flies. But many other flies also visit flowers to feed on nectar. Hoverflies have yellow and black stripes, but they're not related to bees or wasps. The flies which cannot sting pretend to be stinging insects to keep other animals from eating them. Beetle pollinators. Beetles visit flowers for many reasons. Some eat the pollen and the nectar in the flowers, and some eat the whole flowers. Other beetles feed on smaller insects that visit flowers. Smooth or hairy. Beetles that are smooth are not the best pollinators because pollen slides off their bodies. The best beetle pollinators are those with hairy bodies because pollen sticks to their hairs as they travel from flower to flower